These are very efficient DC motor. They are DC motor. I just finished work on them. On a normal day, that is no load, it will take 6 amp to run on no load. That is 72 watts. As big as it is. Look at my hand on it. It will take 72 watts, just 72 watts to run on no load. And the maximum consumption that it runs, it can give you 2 horsepower, but it will not take more than 50 amps from your battery. It will give you 2 horsepower. That is the work that it can do. But this is just take little, and a small battery can run it. This is a 12 amp 12 volt lead acid battery, can run it. So I'm going to test it. It's available for your project, so if you need it, just a DM will get it to you. Yeah, I have them. I just sold some, and they are still available. Very, very efficient. I'm going to run it. The multimeter is on, just to check the amp that it takes. So once I connect the terminal to the multimeter, it should start. So it has started. That's its maximum speed, and it takes 6 amps. 6 amps. I've also connected it to the second one. That was the one we just tested. This is the other one. So the same battery. So all I need to do is to connect the terminal. The other terminal, because the switch is already on. Okay, this one is out. See, it's going to start. That's so much up. So I have to hold it to the ground. So running at 72 watts, around 75, 72 watts, as you can see. Because the battery is 12 volts, so it is 6 amps, 6 times 12, that's 72, right?